kitchen. Everything's designed so that it's like a little bit private, but ventilated. So this wall here is all these angled pieces of wood or concrete. The breeze will come through, but it's private. And this is where we meet for our team time, which is getting ready to take place. And out here, there's something out the back. I'm going to go out and take a look. There's bathrooms. Lots of interesting little art pieces around. Oh yeah, the garden. Wow. I can't even see it, it's so glary, but hopefully the video is working out alright. That's the cistern up there, where all the water comes from that feeds the showers. All just fed by gravity mostly. Sometimes have a priming pump. There's another one at the back that's probably going to feed the water to the garden. It's a beautiful valley back there.